Okay, go out, resign faster to play more games. This guy is streaming. Okay, let's play the London system against the streamer. London system, easy to play without think too much, and okay, this I have that. Now I need to think actually. Maybe I can take, right? Why not? Taking there. Kick him away. I saw this recently. Take. Or e5 in your face. I really like e5 here. e5 is in your face. It's in your face, really. In your face, this one. He's a national master and he has only 2200s. Who is this guy? Why? Why he has only 2200s? I'm expecting something better. Now he cannot castling short sight. We're continuing exchanging a lot of things here, and this is not good for his health. Ah, he would like to give the bishop in order to take that pawn. So I played a very nice move, attacking the rook. And now I'm overprotecting everything, right? Overprotecting everything. So my pawn is not hanging. I can take maybe there in the right moment on just to exchange the bishops. Let's exchange this bishop. Okay, maybe not a draw. Why to give the draw? Okay, let's play here and queen out somewhere. Ah, he don't like the draw actually. He would like to do something more. Okay, extremely dubious what he did, extremely dubious, because he's bad, he's worse in the position. I'm doing something here. This is winning. I think this is winning because the rook is hanging. I played this game very nicely, very nice. It was a nice positional game actually. Stelios Chalkias told me about this opening theory, some opening moves, and now if he saw this game he will be extremely proud. Extremely proud of his student. I did everything correctly. I'm winning here. Let's go. And the national master is thinking, taking his time. Nice to do that because he's going to lose more material maybe. But what I'm going to do, I need to think. Maybe, wow. Can I take with a rook there to make it more efficient? But I think this is better, because I'm going to open up more lines. And now where my pawn, maybe here, yeah, taking the pawn. This is cool, taking the pawn, and I have free attack. I'm attacking the queen, baby. So, what you're going to do? Okay, here, I need to be careful, by the way. And my idea was to keep the pieces on the board. So, take. Maybe I'm going to give this check. It looks extremely double-edged because I'm threatening here and there. He cannot take with the queen. I have check, and after this check, he is going to take with the rook. Taking, he has a checkmate. Okay. Maybe I blundered everything. How I blundered that game actually. How am I not winning? Okay, take the rook because I think I'm worse. Maybe I'm going to lose the game actually. Whoa. Unbelievable. Okay, he blundered the rook. No man, I'm not accepting the draw. No, I'm not accepting the draw obviously. Why to accept the draw? You lost the game, resign.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.